Hello everyone, welcome to the Ichimoku charts.com daily analysis for the SP 500 for Tuesday, January the 12th, 2010. Well, a change of character today for this market and a red-bodied candle, and that's the first red-bodied candle that we've had in a few weeks of trading in this market. And the market has made a new lower high and lower low, which begins the downtrend in the first time frame. The size of the body is fairly large, which means that the sellers have made some fairly solid net bearish progress on the day. Having said that, though, there is a shadow on the bottom of the candle, and that represents buying coming in. And once again, the 1133 area has held a support. And we can see previously that when the market traded to within this region, previously there was 1135 here, market traded down to 1131. We can see that the buyers came in and bought the market back, and that's exactly what happened during the trading day today. The bears have closed this market only with fairly weak control. They've closed the market just down below the midpoint level. So they're not really showing a lot of strength here, and they've actually lost the commitment that they had when they sold the market off to below the support area at 1133. That support area was a previous area of resistance, and quite often the support and resistance can change their roles, and that's exactly what's happened here. Now, the market is trading up above the cloud or the Kumo, so there is still an overall positive bias to this market, and it's also trading up above the Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, which gives us a positive outlook, or a positive bias in the short-term time frame and the medium-term time frame. Unfortunately, for the bulls, the Tenkan-sen, which is the green line, which represents the trend in the fast time frame, and the Kijun-sen, which is the pink line, represents a trend in the medium-term time frame, have turned flat. And that reflects the lack of the previous upside momentum that the market had. The market had some solid upside momentum previously, and we can see that from the slope of these two indicators, and now they've turned flat. And that means that the market is trying to find equilibrium now. Quite often when that happens, the market is attracted back to either of these indicators, and we can see that the market traded right to the Tenkan-sen, which is at 1132, and just a little bit through it, and that's where the support came in for the market. So there is potential for this market to bounce off this support area. If the market does continue down, then there is support at the Kijun-sen, and because that Kijun-sen has turned flat, then there is a possibility that the market will retrace back towards there. So the market may sell off to around the 1117 region. If the market does find that support around this 1133 area, then we need to watch the high of the current candle for a potential change of trend to the upside for a higher high and a higher low. And we previously identified that there isn't any strong resistance for this market up until the market trades to around 1163. So there is potential for the market to trade up to that level. There is now a resistance from this swing high, which is at 1149. And that will offer potential resistance if the market does change trend to the upside. And to the downside, we need to watch the low of the current candle for the market to potentially retrace back towards the Kijun-sen at 1117. If the Kijun-sen fails to hold, then there is support at around the 1106 area, which was a previous area of resistance for the market, and then there is strong potential for the market to find support down around the 1088 level. So strong support on the way down, moderate resistance on the way up. The market is still trending up in the second time frame with a series of higher peaks and higher troughs. We are trending down in the first time frame. There is potential for this to be just a retracement of the first time frame upswing, the previous upswing, and for the market to continue up on its way towards the 1163 region and continue with the second time frame uptrend. But we need confirmation of that.